Alpine X is a branded family resort focused on skiing and snowboarding. The project will have a 400,000 square foot indoor snow dome for all kinds of skiing and boarding, tubing, sledding, and all other kinds of snow activities. We'll have 100,000 square feet of entertainment area outside of the snow dome, including food and beverage, an indoor adventure park, and many other resort activities.
Alpine X has been a major part of the discussions that all of us have been having over the last several years because it provides the Lorton community with an opportunity to add a major new recreational opportunity, which features not only ski slopes and snowboarding, but also will have hotels and other kinds of amenities that would attract people here to make it a full day of recreation, relaxation, and enjoyment.
So we're really pleased to be down at the Workhouse Arts Center today. Saturday is the day they have their community market, and so it's a great opportunity to come and meet with the community to talk about the Alpine X proposal down at the I-95 landfill. In addition to being available to answer questions from community members, we also have bus tours that are running to the top of the landfill.
Having a partner like Alpine X come and develop their facility is just going to help add to what it is that we want to create down here at the Arts Center.